Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. The wait is finally over as Samsung unveils its latest marvel in the world of tablets, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. That's right, folks, we've got all the juicy details about this high-end Android tablet that's set to redefine your digital experience. So, let's dive right in. Starting off with the design, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 boasts a sleek and premium build that's bound to catch your eye. Its ultra-slim profile and premium metal finish not only exude elegance but also offer a comfortable grip. And now, the pièce de résistance, the display. The Tab S9 features a stunning Super AMOLED display, which translates to vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or getting creative with digital art, this tablet's display has got you covered. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S9 is a powerhouse. Packed with the latest processor and of RAM, this tablet ensures blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or handling your work tasks, the Tab S9 can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about creativity. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 comes bundled with the legendary S Pen, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With its impressive mention pressure levels, and ultra-low latency, the S Pen offers a writing and drawing experience that's as close to pen and paper as it gets. Whether you're jotting down notes in a meeting or creating digital masterpieces, the S Pen is your trusty companion. Entertainment enthusiasts, this is where the Tab S9 truly shines. Its cutting-edge audio and stereo speakers deliver a theater-like experience right at your fingertips. And for those who demand top-notch connectivity, the Tab S9 supports, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Plus, with its robust battery life, you can binge-watch, game, and browse to your heart's content without worrying about running out of juice. Let's not forget about the camera. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 comes equipped with a camera that captures stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're snapping pics of your adventures or hopping on video calls, the Tab S9's camera won't disappoint. And for multimedia aficionados, the tablet supports, making it your ideal companion for all things entertainment.
And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the latest sensation from Samsung, the Galaxy Tab S9. From its breathtaking design and display to its powerhouse performance and versatile S Pen, this tablet is a true flagship in every sense of the word. So, are you ready to take your digital experience to the next level? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you get interested in buying it today, you can use the link in our description. And while at it, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our journey to 1,000 subs. Until next time, stay tuned.